Hey guys, I wanted to show you a video about how to use Google Classroom when it comes to your writing. So here I'm in Elise's writing and I'm actually adding some comments to her writing. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. When Elise goes back to look in her writing, she's going to see some green marks right here, and then she's going to see some comments on this side. So these are the things that I have added to her story, and I will leave little comments with it. For example, Elise had this like this, and it wasn't a new paragraph, but because she started talking about herself, and then she actually switched to a new topic to talking about her friend Ren. So I added a new paragraph. So when Elise gets to her page, she's going to see over here it says suggestion from Keely Kerr is to add a paragraph. And then I told her why. I said you add this paragraph because it's a new topic. You were talking about Elise and now you're talking about Ren. So when she comes into her writing, if she wants to accept this change, then she will just click this button right here that says accept suggestion, and it actually will, I'll show you what it looks like. If you click it, it will go away. So, and it'll show you what we did right there. But I want you to look when you get into your writing about the comments that I've made over here. And then if you like them, you can accept them. If you're like, hey, I'm not going to do that. If I just give you a suggestion like, hey, consider putting this right here, and you don't want to do it, then you'll hit reject suggestion and these will go away. So then the next time that you go into your writing, if I have new comments based on what you've written so far, then you can accept or reject those as well. So this is just a quick tutorial of how to use Google Classroom. If you have any more questions, then you can reach out.